In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this gradient material by using MixRGB and Layer Weight nodes. Let's create a UV sphere. Ctrl+3 to subdivide. Right-click and shade smooth to smooth the surface. Let's go to the Shading tab. We need to use Shift+A to add MixRGB and Layer Weight nodes. Connect facing to factor and color to color. Here are the nodes. If we adjust the blend value on the layer weight node, we can customize the gradient pattern freely. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.